How to sign up on Capital One Bank. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create yourself a new Capital One account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. And at the top search bar, type in www.capitalone.com. As you do so, you will get landed onto its official website. Now to open yourself an account, simply click on the Sign In button on your top right. At this page, scroll below and click on Set up Online Access. Now to get started, enter your last name at the first box and your social security number or ITIN and also your date of birth. Once you do all that, click on to get started. Just like so, you will have to enter your other personal details in order to create yourself an account. Enter the detail correctly, then you will be able to create yourself an account. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.